Hello everyone. Today we're gonna talk about the assignment for AACS2034 Fundamentals of Computer Networks. We proceed to the introduction. We are from Group 1 of DFT Group 4. We assigned to design and set up a LAN networks for TVC University College. UC office have two locations, locations A and location B, which is location A have 5 departments in the building. Location B also have 4 faculties in the building. Our introduction of our topology is we use the 2940-24TT switches for every department and faculties. Every department and faculty have minimum 2 PC and 1 switch. All of the switches are connected with the routers, and we have set up 2 routers in this LAN network. And we are using the copper straight wires through PCs connect to switches and use 0 DTE for router. Next is our subnet address table. As we can see in the table, we got provide the location, number of hosts required, prefix, subnet mask, subnet address, first usable host address, last usable host address, and broadcast address. We had using different color to identify the various location and department locate on the different floors. In our LAN topology, we have utilized 10 subnets in this network topology, with the 9 subnets being used for the network for each department, and another one of the subnet is being the network link between both our routers, which is the location A router and location B routers. Each network connects to the router and form a local area network within these 2 locations. We have prepared multiple switches and devices for each subnet. And the approach that we're utilizing is the FLSM. It has previously been established to allow us to use distinct subnet masks for each network while keeping the address range the same length. Furthermore, we consider the increasing number of hosts that will be necessary in the future, so we might provide enough address space that can be spread and alert completely. At the same time, we also use private IP address space. 172.22.0.0 is a Class B address that used in our network design. The prefix that we used after we went through the calculation is /22. Our prefix is /22. The reason is because our host address is 16 bits and our required host bits is 10 bits. The converted bits we calculate is 6 bits, which is the host address minus host bits. Then our prefix can be calculated by adding the host address with converted bits, which is 16 bits plus 6 bits, resulting in /22. This /22 will be our prefix. This is our network design in the Cisco packet tracer that we designed. We have the location A in It have 4 floor in this building. Third floor is for Chancellery and Management Department. Second floor it has an administrative department. First floor is have finance department, and the last one is ground floor have admission department and marketing department. And for the location B, we also have 4 faculty in the building. This is our addressing table, and as you can see, we have provide every device and every interface that we use, and we also config the IPv4 address and subnet mask inside the Cisco packet tracer for each device. So for the details thing, I will pass up to my teammate.
Now I will show you guys about the ping connectivity in between device in our network topology. I will show a few examples of it. So the first example is the connection between the PCs between different location. So as an example, I will ping the address from location B, which is PC16, using PC0. So I will ping the address of PC16, which is 172.22.20.2. So usually the first time will be not successful. So when you try the second time, it will be successful. So as you can see, the ping is success. So next, I will show the connectivity of switches in location A between location A and location B. So as an example, I will choose switch 6. I ping the IP address of switch 11 to in switch 6. So I will ping the address of switch 6, which is 172.22.24.1. So the first time is still unsuccessful. So I try the second time, it will be successful. So next, I will show you guys about the ping connectivity of between routers. So I will ping the router from location B using the router from location A, which is router 0. So the address for router 2 is 172.22.36.2. I see the ping is successful. Next, I will show the ping connectivity in location B. I will ping the address from location A. So as an example, I will use PC24. I will ping the address from location A. I will use PC8 address, which is 172.22.8.4. So when try for the second time, it will be successful. Next, I will show the ping connectivity of switch in location B. use switch 10. I will ping the address of switch 5 in location A. So I will ping 172.22.0.1. You can see it is successful. Lastly, I will show the connectivity of router 2. I ping from the address of router 0. So I will ping 172.22.36.2.1. As you can see, it is successful. And that's all for our presentation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you everyone.